Let's make braided cinnamon rolls. Use your own cinnamon roll recipe, or you can use mine in the description. After you let the dough rest and rise, go ahead and roll it out. We'll add the fillings in like normal, but only do 2/3 of it. You'll see here I'm doing the 2/3 on the right side and just doing the butter, cinnamon, and sugar separately. I just find it much easier to do. If you like to make a paste out of that and then spread it that way, that's perfectly fine. One of the reasons why I like to do this is actually so that I don't end up overfilling and using too much butter and too much sugar, but it allows you to really control how much of everything you're putting in there. All right, now that we've finished the cinnamon, we're going to fold over the third that's not done towards the middle here. You want to make sure to do this in thirds. Here I'm actually cutting off the edges because they are not completely covered. You can actually prevent this by rolling it out and cutting the rectangle shape before you actually add in the filling. Now we're going to cut some even slices here. We're going to do this one in 8 slices. If you start by cutting in half for each section, you're more likely to get even pieces. Now we're going to take the first piece and then roll it down a little bit to flatten it, and then we're going to take a pizza cutter and cut 3 slices like this so that we can start our braid. Just remember not to cut the very tip there. We're going to do a quick braid here, very simple, just like braiding your hair or someone else's if you don't have long hair. And then we're going to try and squeeze the ends of that to try to close up that end. Gather up your braids and put it on some parchment paper in a nice warm oven. It'll look beautiful and puffy just like this. They didn't stay all the way closed at the ends here, you can see, but they still look great. I'm going to use a little bit of spray oil here so that the crust gets really nice and crispy. And now it's ready for the oven, so preheat at 350, and then we're going to bake for about 20 minutes. It's less than you would actually put in the oven for regular cinnamon rolls. Cream cheese frosting recipe is in the description below, or you can look at my other video for cinnamon rolls, which has a demo on it. Cover your braided cinnamon rolls with frosting and you're done. They're so delicious and fun. Hope you like these as much as I do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.